So, today's the day. I'm going on a trip with a few friends. We're just about to go to the airport and our flight has been changed. So I'll fill you in on more info when we get there. Okay, our flight has been delayed by about 12 hours or so. So at the minute we're just currently waiting before we can go back to the airport and get our new flight, which is at 3 AM. But unfortunately this means we miss our connecting flight. So that means we're going to have to wait in Dubai for about 20 hours before we can get our next flight. Okay, so we've arrived at the airport and we're just waiting around. We've got about 30 minutes before our flight. Then it's a 7-hour journey to Dubai. Thanks, bye. Okay, so we are now in Dubai. We've made it to the hotel. We've been waiting around for about 2 hours or so. It's taken forever to get here. We've got to be back up tomorrow at 7 o'clock to make sure we get to the airport. We've got a 10 o'clock flight and it's going to be about 16 hours until we get to Auckland, New Zealand. Okay, so we're on the next morning now. We've got about half an hour, 45 minutes before we need to leave for the airport. And it's going to be a 16-hour flight from here, Dubai, all the way to Auckland, New Zealand. I'll try to keep you updated on what's going on, but it depends if we get messed about again or not. So we've just landed in New Zealand and there's an alarm going off, everyone's got to evacuate.
What do you do? Change your clothes?
Attention please, you will be required to evacuate.
Okay, so we've made it from the airport to the hostel. This is where we're staying tonight. I think the girls are going to go on a walk to watch the sunset or something. I was going to join them, but I'm not feeling well. I think I'm still jet lagged from the flight. Whilst they've all gone out, I'm just going to try and have a sleep and hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. So I'll start filming again tomorrow. Okay, so the aim is to release a video every single week. Hopefully it'll be on a Saturday. To make sure you don't miss any of the videos, make sure you are subscribed. And here's a little bit of what you can expect to see over the next few weeks.